Join me as I dive into the world of politics and finance to see if 2025 could really be the year of big money with Trump at the helm. There's been a lot of buzz lately about the potential for huge economic growth in 2025, especially now that Trump makes a comeback to the White House. The question on everyone's mind is, can he really deliver on his promise of big money, and what would that even look like? The current economic landscape in the U.S. is plagued by high inflation, rising interest rates, and a slowing GDP growth. As he is now back in power, these are challenges that would undoubtedly influence his strategies. Hopefully he's going to tackle these issues head-on in order to stimulate economic growth and create an environment conducive to big money. The reality is, the U.S. economy is still recovering from the pandemic, and the ongoing trade tensions with China and other countries aren't helping matters. Trump would need to find a way to balance his protectionist policies with the need to boost American industries and create jobs. It's a delicate balance, but one that could pay off big time if executed correctly. Add to that the looming threat of recession, and it's clear that Trump has his work cut out for him. He's gonna have to make some tough decisions, and fast, to avoid an economic downturn. But, as we've seen before, Trump is not one to shy away from taking bold action, even if it means going against the status quo. When Trump implements policies that promote economic growth, we could see a surge in sectors like infrastructure, energy, and tech. These industries have the potential to create jobs, drive innovation, and of course generate big money. The stock market would likely respond positively to such moves, and we would see a significant uptick in investor confidence. One of the key areas Trump would have to focus on is deregulation. By reducing bureaucratic red tape, he could make it easier for businesses to operate and expand, leading to increased economic activity. This, in turn, could lead to higher profits, higher wages, and more opportunities for people to invest and grow their wealth. Another potential policy change could be a reduction in corporate tax rates. This would make the United States a more attractive place for businesses to invest and operate, leading to increased economic growth and, you guessed it, big money. The effects of such a move would be felt across the economy, from small businesses to multinational corporations. One key moment that could significantly alter the economic landscape is the upcoming Federal Reserve decision on interest rates. If rates are cut, it could inject a much-needed boost into the economy, making it easier for people and businesses to access credit and invest in big projects. However, if they raise rates, it could have the opposite effect, slowing down growth and making it harder to achieve Trump's vision of big money. Many experts predict that Trump being back in power, he'll prioritize economic growth above all else, even if it means taking bold, unconventional action. This could lead to a period of rapid growth, but it also comes with risks, such as higher inflation and increased national debt. In a recent interview, renowned economist Dr. Mark Zandi predicted that if Trump implements policies that promote economic growth, we could see the U.S. economy growing at a rate of 4% or higher by the end of 2025. That's a staggering number, and one that would undoubtedly lead to big money and opportunities for investors. Looking back, it's clear that Trump's return to power is already generating a lot of excitement and uncertainty in the world of finance. While there are many challenges to overcome, the possibility of big money and economic growth is a tantalizing one. Only time will tell. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on politics, finance, and current events. Don't forget to share your thoughts on Trump's economic plans in the comments below. Thank you for watching.